Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to automatically number rows in Google Sheets in just a few steps. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do, as you can see on my screen, so we have to open a file or document. We wanted to put some number rows. So after the document is open, so we are ready to put some number rows. So all you need to do is just type equal sign and word row, open and close parentheses, and here um, in this part, so between open and close parentheses, all you need to do is to select a cell. So for me, I'm going to select this one, the A1. So just type A1 and press enter. Okay, so number one will just show up. So just drag it down to the okay, and you will see a number rows in Google Sheets. So there is a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're done, guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from our videos today. So please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Sheets tutorial. Thank you.